Hi Sam. Today, we're diving into the word
zuerst,
Hi Alex. What does
zuerst,
mean?
zuerst,
translates to first in English. It's commonly used to indicate the initial step in a process or sequence.
So it's not just about the number one, right?
Exactly. It's more about the order of things. Just to be cautious, it's not a false friend, but some might confuse it with firstly since it has a slightly different usage. Now, let's talk about its grammar.
zuerst,
Is an adverb, so it doesn't have a gender or plural form. You use it to describe when something happens.
Got it. Can you give me an example?
Sure. You might say,
zuerst gehe ich einkaufen,
which means first, I go shopping.
And what about past tense?
Since
zuerst,
is an adverb, it doesn't change with tense. You could say,
zuerst bin ich ins Kino gegangen,
which means first, I went to the cinema.
That makes sense. Where does
zuerst,
come from?
It has old High German roots, originating from,
zuerst,
meaning first as well. It has been used in German for centuries, maintaining its meaning throughout history.
That's really interesting.
Yes, it shows how the language evolves but still keeps its core. Now, let's break down the word.
zuerst,
Consists of the prefix and the root.
erst,
The prefix often indicates direction or approach, while
erst,
means first.
So together they mean to first.
Not exactly, but it emphasizes the idea of being first in order. It's like assembling Lego pieces to build the meaning step by step. Similar words include
erst,
which means first on its own, and its derivatives like
erstmal,
meaning first of all.
Are there more examples?
Absolutely. Other words with the same prefix are
zuziehen,
meaning to pull, and
zubereiten,
meaning to prepare. Plus, you have
zuhören,
meaning to listen.
Those sound useful.
They are. And words with the root
erst,
include,
erstklassig,
which means first class, and
erstens,
which means firstly. Now, let's practice some real-life situations. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
zuerst möchte ich die Speisekarte sehen,
which means first, I would like to see the menu.
Okay, I can try.
Zuerst möchte ich das Wasser bestellen.
Perfect. That means first, I would like to order the water. Another situation could be at work. You might say,
Zuerst müssen wir das Projekt planen.
which means first, we need to plan the project.
Let me try.
Zuerst müssen wir die Präsentation vorbereiten.
That's great. It means first, we need to prepare the presentation. Lastly, while traveling, you might say,
Zuerst müssen wir die Tickets kaufen.
which means first, we need to buy the tickets.
How about?
Zuerst müssen wir den Zug finden.
Exactly. That means first, we need to find the train. Now, remember that
Zuerst.
is informal and can be used in everyday conversations.
What are some phrases I should know?
Common collocations include
Zuerst essen.
meaning eat first,
Zuerst kommen.
meaning come first, and
Zuerst fragen.
meaning ask first.
Thanks for those.
Also, be careful not to confuse
Zuerst.
with,
Erst.
which has a similar meaning but can be used differently in sentences.
I'll keep that in mind.
Let's weave in some example sentences. Remember when I mentioned
Zuerst gehe ich einkaufen.
Yes.
you could also say,
Zuerst habe ich gefrühstückt.
which means first, I had breakfast.
And how about?
Zuerst ist es wichtig zu lernen.
Exactly. That means first, it's important to learn. Now, for a quick recall check. What does
Zuerst.
mean?
It means first.
Correct. Can you give me a sentence using
Zuerst.
in the past tense?
Zuerst habe ich geschlafen.
Great job. That means first, I slept. What about another situation where you'd use
Zuerst.
Maybe something like,
Zuerst gehe ich nach Hause.
perfect? That means first, I go home. And now, what's the root of
Zuerst.
it's and.
Erst.
Exactly. One last question, can you tell me if
Zuerst.
is formal or informal?
It's informal.
You got it. To wrap up, today we learned that
Zuerst.
means first, and it's an essential adverb in German to indicate order.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using
Zuerst.
now.
I'm glad to hear that, Sam. Keep practicing, and you'll use it like a pro.